Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another baking soda video for you guys, and this one was requested by one of my lovely subscribers. So right here I just begin to push back the cuticles. And by the way guys, thank you so much for all my subscribers and all the love I always get down below. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So here I am just grabbing a buffer, which I will have linked down below. I did purchase it on Amazon. It is great. So here I'm just buffing down the nails to just eliminate any shine for the nail tip to adhere properly. So here I just begin to pick out my nail tips, and by the way, I will have these nail tips linked down below. And this organizer I did get at Dollar Tree. I don't know, I just had it laying around. I'm like, let me just try and place my nail tips on here, and it just worked fantastic. From now on I will always do that for those nail tips that do not come in cases. So yes, here I am just picking out my nail tips, and now I will begin to apply them. So this LA Colors glue I did get at the Dollar Tree. I will be applying my nail tips with it, and I will also be using this glue for the baking soda process. It works perfectly fine. You guys will see here in the video. I don't really know if every single glue or base works. I personally don't recommend any bases because I've never tried any base other than the 2-in-1 by Lifu, which is a base and a top coat. But other than that, I really recommend a nail glue because all the ones that I have tried have worked perfectly fine. So here I'm just grabbing my nail tip clipper and I'm just adjusting the nails to my liking. So today I decided to go for a little bit of a shorter nail look. And by the way guys, if you obviously want these nails to last, prep and prime your nails correctly. I don't do it because of video purposes, but yeah, just don't forget. This is the baking soda that I'll be using today from the Dollar Tree, and here I am pretty much just stirring up the baking soda and eliminating any clumps. Here I begin to apply the nail glue to the bottom of my nail tip, and I begin the dipping process, building my way up all the way to the cuticle area. And like I said, the layers depend on your liking, depending how thick you want them and how you like your apex as well. So here I will just be showing you guys the process. These are what the nails look like after I am completely done with the baking soda process. And now I am just going to grab my nail file and I will begin to shape the nail. Today I'm going for square nails. So yeah, I'm here just shaping my nails and filing over the nail until I get it super smooth. So here I will be using this polish, and it is a nude in 907, and I did purchase this one at the Dollar Tree. The other ones are gel polishes, and the reason why I decided to do this was because the nails that I'll be doing today are colored tip nails, which is what one of my subscribers requested me to do. So here you guys go, and I hope you enjoy the process and are enjoying the video so far. So these are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time.